Welcome to the Suerte del Molino farm, Andalusia in Spain. This is early morning, wet, dark, and we are working. We are slipping and sliding because the soil is extremely wet. The local people tell me they haven't seen this in many years, that it rains almost every day, and that makes me happy. Here we have Paulovnia with several side branches, 2 of them left. All the others have been pruned to one single branch, the most upright one, the leader. And then all of the cut branches have been pruned and planted, not chopped and dropped. This one is quite tall, sticking out. And then we have shorter ones, and we are experimenting with lots of things. And each spot has 4 or more other cuttings that we have taken from the area, from plants that grow well. So this is our attempt to propagate more plants on the farm. Propagation is all about cuttings. It's all about the balance between too little and too much water, too little heat and too much heat, too little air, too much air. So we have planted almost 1,400 cuttings. If 400 of them take and produce some shoots, I will be happy. And after the summer, if 100 of them grow, I will be satisfied. This is how it works. On this largest, latest, biggest swale, we have planted some oranges, and few are going yellow, the leaves. I have visited a farmer with lots of these citrus trees, and he told me that citrus trees don't like wind and sun on the whole plant. That's why they are planted close to each other in an orchard. The one protects the other one from the wind and the sun. So he suggested that I planted it where I have some protection from the wind and from the sun, but they must still get a lot of sunshine every day. So next to the creek I have quite some plants, and I am thinking of the 5 different citrus species I have. I've chosen them so that I might have oranges all year round, and plant them there where the dogs are now, and make some bathtubs, some basins, water collecting basins, and plant them not too close, that they must get full sun as well, but some protection from the wind and from the sun on the sides. I'm looking forward to that. The creek is still running. This is the 8th day. I never thought that I would see that, because the last 3 years my experience was it flows for an hour and then it's over. And now for 7 days or more, the stream, the water did not stop flowing. This is the creek. Next to the creek, the canal from the Kanat that used to take water down that way to water the Roman gardens, vegetable gardens for the Roman city that was not too far from here. So the cistern of the Kanat is overflowing. Another thing I thought I would never see. Wow. Our original sandbox for propagating plant cuttings. We have taken away some of the walls to get the plants out. So we will now reconstruct it, add some more sand. And the idea is to have only 1 or 2 species of cuttings in here. And because the fruit salad way we had it before is not working well. Some plants have tremendous roots and others almost nothing. And it appears that we might have the white mulberry. Maybe we can get 1,000 cuttings in here. The more decorative plants we still have to transplant, but we're not in a hurry. This is what the wheelbarrow looks like after a few days in the rain. It's good we have not planted our potatoes because they would have rotten by now. A month of very wet conditions. All is good. Till next time. Goodbye.